Thanks for joining us for the news tonight. I'm Richard Gearhart.
And I'm Karina Corral. With more than 400 homeless people in San Luis Obispo, experts and the community came together for a discussion on the issue.
KSBY's Dustin Kleeman attended that discussion and joins us now with more on what they talked about and why. Dustin?
Good evening, Richard and Karina. I'm standing down at the Mission where a number of transient camps have been spotted throughout the time here. Tonight's event was about awareness, not for just the people that you see downtown regularly, but for the other people, the other homeless individuals who are unseen. There are a number of agencies working to solve the issue, but there are challenges.
At its core, this issue is a human issue.
In downtown, dozens of homeless roam the streets. While it's not a crime, SLO PD does enforce laws on the books. And the police understand people's leeriness toward the homeless.
So if you feel afraid, call us. Your best option is to call us, let us come, let us evaluate for you, because that's what we're here for.
To put it in perspective, 10 people alone have racked up 470 citations. One man was cited 45 times for alcohol violation in a span of a year. There are a number of resources for those battling addiction and mental health issues, but housing continues to be a massive hurdle in providing more services.
I'd love to say we're going to work ourselves out of business, but unfortunately I see the opposite. Until we get a handle on housing, affordable housing in this community, I'm going to have more and more people hitting my doors.
The panel reminded people another portion of the homeless population, and that's made up of single parents with children. Experts say there is also a rise in elderly becoming homeless due to housing affordability and SLO.
We need housing and we need services to support housing, and without that we're not going to get towards the solution to the problem that all of you are here to hear about today.
The city last year identified more than 200 camps and picked up tons of trash in a complex and costly system. Mental health, though, remains a focus of law enforcement.
And it's really about, again, decriminalizing mental health. How can we keep people out of the judicial system? And then if they do come in the judicial system, how we can provide better services, training, and treatment for them so they don't come back in again and recidivate.
Now, I also want to point out a lot of this, again, was informational tonight. They pointed to a sheet that they have downtown. You might be able to see it. A couple things of just what is and is not allowed. One of the big things is soliciting for people. Panhandling is not permitted within 25 feet of any ATM, 6 feet from any business entrance, and 10 feet of any intersection on any roadway. I also want to point out, too, just in the few minutes that we've been here, there was a call for service for a medical situation down in this area. Live and local in San Luis Obispo, I'm Dustin Kleeman. Back to you.
All right, Dustin, thank you. And the city does plan to hire a mental health professional who will be embedded in the police department and ride with officers to get the chronically homeless into services. That position will be paid for through a grant.